Sketch the graph of one period of y equals 3 cotangent of 2x over 3. We'll start by finding our period. The period is pi over the absolute value of b. Our b is the number multiplied by x, which in this case is 2/3. This gives us a period of 3 pi divided by 2. Now, every multiple of our period is where our asymptotes are. So we have at 0, we have an asymptote. And at 3 pi over 2, I'll let each of those squares in the horizontal represent pi over 2. Pi over 2. And so on. Halfway between those points, I get 0. So this is at 3 pi over 4, 0. The halfway between this point and an asymptote, we're going to get a key point. Now with the cotangent, this on the right, my point is going to be at a negative a. So halfway between, I'm going to have a negative 3. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, halfway between those, which looks like it's going to be right around there. And on the left of that point is that positive a, so it's going to be right around there. And then we can combine these, and maybe it will be hard to see the curve there. In fact, perhaps it would be best to draw this vertical scale a little bit smaller so that we can see that. I'm going to go ahead and do that actually, just so that we can see that shape a little bit clearer. Let's go ahead and make each of these squares 3. Okay. So we'd be up at 3 there and down at negative 3 here. And then that makes it a little bit easier to see that shape. Okay. And we have that shape repeated on both sides. Forever and ever and ever.